Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to set up Manychat for Instagram. So if you're on Instagram most of the time, you might have seen people saying comment a word something below and I will send you a link to my free something like that or to my, website and then whatever it might be. And you might be wondering how are people automatically sending me a message in my DMs, okay? When I comment a certain word, now they're like using the program Manychat, okay? And in this video, I am going to show you how exactly to set up and use Manychat so that when somebody comments on your post on Instagram, they will automatically get a message in their DMs and you didn't have to do anything. You just had to set it up. So now let's start the step-by-step tutorial on how to do those automation messages. Okay. So first is you have to open your web browser and then you just have to type out manychat.com and then you'd be redirected to this page. Now when you click on the product, you see different products right here that you can use. So you can see here the Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger for SMS, text with customers, or for the integrations. So now let's focus on the Instagram. So now when you go to the pricing option right here, you'd be able to see here the choose a mini chat plan. So you have a free, pro, and premium. So if you're just a starter, so I suggest you just have to select the free, but it has a limited access to some of the features. But if you're a starter, then you just have to click on the get started to sign up. Okay, so now we have to connect our Facebook page first to our Instagram. Of course, you have to do that by going to your Instagram. So now when you go ahead and click on the get started, and here you just have to click on the Instagram. Okay, this one. And then you'll have to connect with Facebook. Okay, so ManyChat requires a certain permissions to build automations with Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So click this button and you'll be able to see this page. Okay, so you just have to wait for a few seconds and you just have to type out your email and your password. And then you just have to click on logged in. Okay, so now that you're here, just have to click on continue to your Facebook account. Then just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, now that you have done that, you'd be able to see this email verification is required for new account. You just have to type out your email right here and then click on next. Now a code will be sent to your email. So you just have to go to your email and then check the code. So you can just copy this code right here and then we are going to paste it to these boxes. Okay, so we just click on paste and then right here you just have to tell them about yourself. So you just have to select your company type. Okay, so maybe for now I'm going to select the business or marketing agency, so it's up to you. And then click on next. Now you just have to connect your Instagram. So just have to click on go to Facebook and then you be redirected to this page. Okay, so you just have to follow this process for you to be able to create your account. Now you just have to click on continue in your account. And here you have to log into Instagram. So if you have a personal Instagram account, you'll switch to professional account. Then after that, you have to connect your Instagram account to a Facebook page. And then only admins can do this. Now you have to allow message permissions to for many chats. Okay. So after that, you just have to click on the get started option. Okay. And then when you've done that, you'll be able to log into your Instagram. So here, just type out your email as well as your password. Then just have to click on logged in. And then after that, you'd be able to see which best describes you. You just have to select the creator and then click on next. And then right here, you just have to click on next. You just have to read this one right here. Now you just have to show the category and profile. So you just have to go ahead and select what category do you want to appear in your profile. So just select one. Okay, and then click on done. And once you've done that, your Instagram creator account is ready. So just click on done. And as you can see, you have to enable this important Instagram settings. So you have to open your Instagram mobile app. Go to menu, settings and privacy, messages and story replies, message controls, and connected tools, and toggle on the allow access to messages. And after that, you just have to click on it's ready. You can now connect the Instagram to Manychat. Just have to wait for a few seconds and then you'd be able to see this page. The congratulations, your Instagram is connected successfully. So you just have to click on the start with free plan and then you'd be able to see here the what is the purpose of creating your account. So just go with the business use, I think, and then click on next. Okay, so I'll be choosing both and then click on next. Now just click on creator and then click on next. And then here, maybe promoting my own services and click on next. Then select one of this. And after that, you'll be able to see here now your dashboard. So now let's create our automation messages. So just click on the automation option at the left side of our screen. So this one. And then when you scroll down, you'll be able to see here, add new automation. So you just have to click on one of this button right here because it's just the same. And then you'll be able to see here the recommended template. But for me as a starter, you really have to learn on how to do this. So you just have to click on the start from scratch option at the top. Okay, so this one. Manychat is going to be made up of two different triggers when XYZ happens. Do the XYZ. So, for example, when somebody comments on your Instagram post, send them a message through Instagram DMs saying whatever it is you want to say. So, there are two parts to this automation, and there are different triggers happening. So, we are going to set up the first trigger. So, we're just going to click on the new trigger. Okay, now you'd be able to see here the triggers. So for the user clicks an Instagram ad, so that is for the pro plan. Now here you can see the user comment on your post or reel, user replies to your story, or user click a referral link or so. So now let's focus on the user comments on your post or reel. Okay, now that we have done that, we just have to select a specific post from Instagram. Take note that you can also choose a reel for this one. And after that, you just have to click on continue. So for the pro, you can also all post or reels or next post or reels. So for now, just click on continue. And right here, you just have to put the specific keywords that you want to be the use for the trigger. So let me just show you for a while. Let me go to my Instagram account and go to one of my posts where I put there the exact word or the word that will trigger the reply button. So when I go to my Instagram profile and locate the post, so you'd be able to see what I have put there. Okay, so for this one, so you can see, hey guys, as we announce the winners of the promo code voucher, please do follow the instructions below to make your entry valid. So as you can see in the description, you can see the comment down below how to voucher and an automated message will be sent to your DMs for further instructions. So if they're going to write a comment and include the how to voucher, an automated message will be sent to their DMs. Okay, so now let's go back to Manychat and right here let's type out the keywords that we want to be the trigger. Okay, so just have to type out a voucher. So you have to think of all the possibilities because some of the user will not be able to really follow the instruction. So we just use the words or type the keywords right here that you think is best so they'll be able to receive the automated message. Okay, so for example, voucher, how to, or how to voucher. So you can also type out all small letters right here because some of the users is not really that particular with capitalization details. Okay, and then after that, you just have to click on the continue. And right here, you have to set a public reply in the feed. So yes, a random multiple reply. So you have to create three or at least three to be able to save your changes. So for example, let me just type out, please check your DMs. The link has been sent. thank you. Then you can add emoji for this one. And then for the second one, let me just type out thanks for commenting. The link has been sent to your DMs. And after that, you can now click on save option. Okay, so make sure to create three so you'd be able to save your changes right here. Okay, now that you have done that, you'll be able to see here now that your changes has been saved. Okay, so and if for some reason this doesn't save, so it might be because you haven't selected which post you want this comment to go on. So what I recommend doing is just you keep this automation in edit mode, and when you have posted, come back in here and select that specific post and then put this automation live. So again, if you run into trouble, that might be the issue. And now we're going to set up the step 2 of this automation. So we're going to click on the Instagram send message, and this is where we're going to type the message that is going to be sent to this person in their DMs. So when they comment that specific word of your post, so for example right here, let me just type out, "Hey, thank you for your interest. Please click this link for further instructions. Thanks." Now you just have to click on this add button to add a button where they can click on. So here you just have to delete the new button number one and then just type out click here. Okay, now when this button is pressed, you'd be able to select whether they will be landed to Instagram or open a website, perform actions. So let me just go ahead and click on the open a website. Okay, so you just have to click on it, and then after that you can now type out here the website URL. So when they're going to click on the click here button, they'd be going to the website that you have typed out, and then just click on done. And finally, now the automation is set. So when a user comments on a post or a reel, and again, we might have to come in here and select the specific post after we posted it, then the automatic direct message is going to be sent with the message text that we've set up and the link for someone to click to learn more. Now, once this is all set up correctly, we're going to say set live, and we're going to see here that the trigger was activated so that when somebody goes and comments on the specific post, this message is going to be sent. So yes, we have set up correctly, and your first Manychat automation is ready to go. So for you to see, I am now using my other Instagram account. So here is the other account. Now I will go to the post that my other account has been created. So let me just try to write a comment right here. Okay, so maybe I'm interested, and then I am going to include the trigger key of the post. Okay, so maybe how to voucher will do. So, or just voucher because we have type out voucher as well. Then click on done. Okay, after that, we have to go ahead and check our messages. Okay, so let me just refresh the homepage and go to the messages. Then when I go to my messages, as you can see, I have received the "Hey, thank you for your interest. Please click this link for further instruction." So including the button, I can now click on it to go to their website. And then you can also check your notification to check if they have replied to your comments. So let me go back to the post. Okay, let me click on this and go ahead to their profile. Let me click on it. Now when I go one of my comments right here and view the replies, so you'd be able to see here the reply that you have created for the trigger key. So if you think that you have to upgrade to access the other features in ManyChat, so you just go ahead and subscribe to their pro plan or premium plan. Okay, so just have to follow the step-by-step tutorial on how you can set up your ManyChat for your business. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.